Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks to create viral Instagram reels using Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the templates menu, and we're going to use template to create viral Instagram reels. And we can go to the search menu, and then we can search for trend viral Instagram reels. For example, I'm just going to search for trend viral, and there will be a lot of templates that you can use, and you can choose the template according to your needs. For example, I'm going to select slow motion template. So wait, I'm going to search for the slow motion, but if I cannot find the slow motion, I'm just going to choose the other one. Okay, I'm going to try this one, trend slow-mo for 3 videos. And then I'm going to replace the videos in the template with my own video. I'm just going to pick random video from my device. For example, I'm going to select this video and this one and also this one. And for the last video, let me choose wait. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and then click on next. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Right, and then if you want to replace the audio, just click on the audio option here. But wait, the smooth slow motion is being applied to this editing, so we need to wait until 100% to get the smooth slow motion. Okay, done. The smooth slow motion has been applied to my videos, and let me play it. Okay, like this. That's so cool. And then if you want to change the music, just go to the audio and then you can choose a music that you like. But for me, I'm just going to use the original music. And then if you want to export, you can click on this export icon and you will be able to remove this Capcut watermark. Just select export without a watermark here. And then the video will be saved without watermark and you will be able to upload it to your Instagram reels. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.